Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account on the PayPal mobile app. So basically, watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So first, after installing your PayPal application, you will need just to open it. After that, you will find it as follow. So basically, you will be needing to click on sign up. So from here, you will need to add your email and then click on next, and then it will take you to your mobile number. So basically, after that, you will be needing to go and confirm your phone number. So you will receive a code into your phone number, and then you will need just to verify it. After that, you will be starting creating a password. So after you create a password, and of course you will need to respect this criteria, you will need just to click on next. And from here, you can or you will need to start adding your personal info. So basically, you will start with nationality, first name, last name, and date of birth. So after that, you will finish all your information, and now you will be needing to start adding your address lines. So basically add your address, your town and city, your state if that's apply, and of course the PIN code. So from here, you will be needing to start creating a username that will be showing in your profile in PayPal. Now, the most important part is to link a debit or credit card so to get verified on PayPal. So after adding your card number, you can also scan it if you'd like for easy methods. You will need either allow or don't allow, whatever you like. And now you have your PayPal account. So now you can start working and sending funds and whatever you like within PayPal. Basically, that's it. So thank you for watching. See you next time.